What happens when you eat rice every day? Many people eat rice on the regular or even daily. It can certainly be part of a well-balanced meal plan. Ahead, what happens when you eat rice every day? Number 1, you will get an energy boost. Rice is a healthy, nutrient-dense grain. That's an excellent source of carbohydrates, which is one of the 3 major macronutrients we need to consume daily. Number 2, you might notice smoother digestion. If you have ever had a stomachache or stomach bug, one food you may think of that's easy to tolerate and digest is plain rice. Number 3, you can mix up your micronutrients. Rice provides more than 15 essential vitamins and minerals. Number 4, your blood sugar might spike due to its higher proportion of carbs compared to protein and fats. The 2 other macros, a serving of rice on its own can spike blood sugar levels. Number 5, you might displace more nutrient-dense foods. If you are only eating rice daily, you might miss out on all the other nutrients found in other grains like oats, barley, etc. What to keep in mind when eating rice? Rice of all kinds delivers important vitamins and minerals along with energy boosting carbs. Depending on the variety, a good dose of gut health supporting fiber. Thanks for watching. Never forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.